Welcome to our tutorial on how to add text to your story on Telegram with the updated features. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access the story feature. Step 2. Swipe down on the screen and then tap on My Story, located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the section where you can create your story. Step 3. You can either take a new photo using your device's camera or choose an existing photo from your gallery to use in your story. Step 4. Once you have selected or taken a photo, look for the text icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to add text to your story. Step 5. Enter the text you want to include in your story. After typing your text, tap on Next, located at the bottom right corner of the screen to proceed. Step 6. Finally, tap on Post Story to share your story with your contacts. Your story, with the added text, will be visible to those who view your Telegram story. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance your Telegram story by adding text to make it more engaging and informative. Utilize this feature to personalize your stories and share your thoughts or messages with your Telegram contacts. Enjoy creating visually appealing stories with text overlays using the updated features on Telegram.